This video is to show you how to create a story booklet. So we'll start with an 8.5 by 11 white piece of paper, and we're going to fold it hamburger wise. Okay. And then we'll open it up, and then now we'll fold it lengthwise, also called as hot dog wise. Okay, then open it up. Now you're going to fold the edges into the middle crease. Okay, so here's the edge. Fold it to meet with the middle crease. Okay. And then do it with the other side. Fold it to meet the middle crease. Alright. Okay, now open it up and you will see that you have like 8 rectangles. Alright, to make this into a booklet, fold it hamburger wise again, so you only see 4 rectangles. And what you're going to do is, here's a crease, you're going to cut the middle. Okay, so here's the edges, cut the middle. Alright, so get a pair of scissors and cut the middle crease. So again, I'm going to open it up. This is the tricky part, right? I'm going to cut the middle part. I'm going to cut the middle part right here. So for me to do that easily, I'm going to fold it and I'm going to cut this one. I'm going to cut this crease right here. So that when I open it, it's got a hole in it. It's like a mouth. Right. Now let's fold it into a book. So I'm going to fold it hot dog wise, and now I'm going to fold it so that it looks like it has a mouth, and I'm going to make it into like a star. Okay, and there's already creases that I can follow. Right, so I'm folding it. Looks like a plus sign now. And now I can fold it into a booklet. There's my book. And this book has 8 pages in total. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.